Reinstalling Giraffe does not automatically restore your rewards or game progress. Recovery depends on whether your account and your games were linked before the app was removed. By the end, you'll know why progress disappears after a reinstall, what you can recover, and the safest way to get your account back. The first thing to check is whether you're signed into the same Giraffe account you used before uninstalling the app. If the app supports account login, use the exact same sign-in method as before. Creating a new account during setup can make it look like all of your rewards and activity have disappeared when they're actually tied to your original account. Next, separate Giraffe progress from game progress. Giraffe tracks eligible gameplay and rewards, while individual games manage their own saved data. If a game supports cloud saves through its own account system, signing back into that game may restore your progress. If the game only stored data locally on your phone, reinstalling it may permanently erase that save. You should also update Giraffe to the latest version from your device's official app store before troubleshooting further. Running the latest version helps prevent sync problems caused by outdated software. After signing in, give the app a few minutes with a stable internet connection. Account information and recent activity may need time to synchronize with the server before everything appears correctly. Another good step is launching your eligible games directly from inside Giraffe after the reinstall. This helps the app reconnect with supported titles and resume normal session tracking. One common mistake is repeatedly uninstalling and reinstalling the app after noticing missing progress. Multiple reinstalls rarely solve account-related issues and can make troubleshooting more difficult. Another mistake is assuming that reinstalling restores everything automatically. Unless your account and your games support online synchronization, reinstalling simply installs a fresh copy of the app. If your rewards, account history, or tracked activity are still missing after signing into the correct account, contact Giraffe support through the official help or support section. Include your account details, device model, and screenshots showing the missing progress. That gives the support team the information they need to investigate. The biggest takeaway is that recovery depends on using the same account and whether your game progress was backed up before the reinstall. Account information, game saves, and reward tracking are separate systems, so each one should be checked individually. If this guide helped you recover from losing progress after reinstalling Giraffe, like the video and subscribe for more Giraffe tutorials, reward app tips, and troubleshooting guides.